4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
On February 8, 1954, the first Engineer Construction Group was organized and activated pursuant to General Orders No. 62, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines. It established its headquarters at an area in Libis, Quezon City, alongside Marikina River, in a place known as Santolan Barracks. On the late part of February 1954, the 510th Engineer Light Equipment Company was administratively and operationally attached to 1st Engineer Construction Group. With the Armed Forces of the Philippines Revitalized Program, this construction group was reorganized on December 2, 1957 and redesignated as 511th Engineer Construction Group. The laudable performance of the 511th Engineer Construction Group impressed the national leadership that the Armed Forces of the Philippines can very well undertake projects of the administration. Conceiving a plan to harness the military in support to the implementation of the government's socio-economic program, the President of the Republic of the Philippines announced his concept and desire on the matter in a joint session of Congress in 1966. This paved way for the deactivation of the 511th Engineer Construction Group, and the 51st Engineer Brigade Philippine Army was activated on 15 July 1966, pursuant to General Orders No. 12, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, dated 15 July 1966, acknowledged as the Philippine Army's pioneer Engineer Brigade and their reliable partner in socio-economic development, with the entire country as its area of coverage. In 1974, its jurisdiction was reduced to just Luzon and Visayas, due to the activation of 52nd Engineer Brigade covering the entire Mindanao. In 1985, its coverage area was further trimmed down to Luzon only, due to the activation of the 53rd Engineer Brigade in Visayas. Then, in 1991, when the 54th Engineer Brigade was activated to handle northern Luzon, the area of responsibility of the 51st Engineer Brigade was downsized to just central Luzon, National Capital Region, Southern Tagalog, and the Bicol region. However, in 2001, the 51st Engineer Brigade regained responsibility for the whole Luzon, when the 54th Engineer Brigade was transferred to Mindanao. Finally, after the 54th Engineer Brigade was transferred back to Northern Luzon area on 01 August 2008, the brigade area of operation was again reduced to National Capital Region and Southern Luzon area. The evolution of the 51st Engineer Brigade Philippine Army as a potent force for socio-economic development continues generation by generation, and given recognition by its enormous yearly accomplishments worth millions of pesos. With scarce resource, both manpower and equipment, one would marvel upon the brigade capability to undertake various projects. Not only the entire Philippine archipelago as its area of responsibility, but also as contingent of United Nations when it participated as member of PhilCog, undertaking civic action projects in Vietnam. The 51st Engineer Brigade during this time has 3 Engineer Construction Battalion and 1 Engineer Support Battalion, namely 564 Engineer Construction Battalion, which was activated on 01 November 1968, pursuant to General Orders No. 68, Headquarters 51st Engineer Brigade, dated 1 November 1968, and located in Camp Eldridge, Los Baños, Laguna. 565 Engineer Construction Battalion, activated on 16 May 1985 by virtue of General Orders No. 17, Headquarters 51st Engineer Brigade, dated 16 May 1985, and stationed at Camp Queenie Martiliana Pili, Camarines Sur. The 514th Engineer Construction Battalion, which was presently co-located then at Headquarters 51st Engineer Brigade on 01 August 2008, pursuant to General Orders No. 382, Headquarters Philippine Army, dated 16 July 2008, and the Engineer Support Battalion, which was activated pursuant to General Orders Number 174, Headquarters 51st Engineer Brigade on 02 November 1988. The Santolan Barracks, which housed the headquarters of the 51st Engineer Brigade, was renamed Camp General Rigoberto J. Atienza on 08 October 1979. Pursuant to General Orders Number 377, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, dated 6 June 1979. In honor of the first engineer officer to serve as Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff and has served as the second lieutenant at the old Santolan Barracks in Libis, Quezon City. Co-located with the brigade headquarters in Camp Atienza is the headquarters company. However, due to the development and transformation brought with the merging of 51st and 54th Engineer Brigade, Philippine Army, the name 51st Engineer Brigade was retained, and the brigade now has 6 Engineer Construction Battalion, 1 Engineer Support Battalion, and 1 Engineer Combat Battalion. Among the battalions from the former 54th Engineer Brigade are now merged under the 51st, which are 513 Engineer Construction Battalion based in Gamo, Isabela, the 548 Engineer Construction Battalion based in Nagilian, La Union, and the 522 Engineer Construction Battalion based inside the headquarters of Northern Luzon Command in Camp Aquino, Tarlac City. The brigade's primary mission is to provide general engineer support to the Philippine Army units and contribute to the socio-economic development program of the government. It is also committed to respond 24/7 in the humanitarian assistance and disaster rescue operation. One of the most important participation of the unit in the disaster operation was after the Typhoon Yolanda hit the area. The 525th Engineer Combat Battalion is one of the units that responded the call in helping clearing the roads from debris of the main supply route. Prioritizing the clearing of the main supply route will allow the smooth delivery of relief and assistance in the area. The picture was a complete bayanihan, wherein all government agencies pitched in to help and assure that hope to the people in the affected area is still possible. The 564 Engineer Construction Battalion also able to help in the rehabilitation and restoration of the school buildings and other infrastructures in the area. Along with other volunteers coming from other countries in the Asia-Pacific region, they continue to restore damaged buildings in order for the children to get back in school. This year, the brigade has completed various infrastructure projects, and to highlight a few are the construction of outside utilities of Tradoc headquarters in Camp O'Donnell, Tarlac City, worth 11.62 million. The construction of 3 units, 10-door apartment in Fort Bonifacio, and in Camp Angeles Pili, Camarines Sur, worth 42.17 million. And the construction of 5th ID headquarters in Gamo, Isabela, worth 28.44 million pesos. For the year, the brigade was also responsible for the construction of 12 units, 2 classroom school building, a partnership project of Armed Forces of the Philippines, funded by ABS-CBN Sagip Kapamilya Foundation Incorporated. The brigade has been instrumental to the successful search and rescue, retrieval and rehabilitation of several typhoons that struck this nation. Typhoon Marine that caused flooded areas in southern Luzon and NCR, Typhoon Santi that severely hit central Luzon, Typhoon Yolanda that devastated Tacloban City and nearby areas. The brigade sent 1 battalion placed operational control to Central Command to conduct search rehabilitation operations in Tacloban City. With the unparalleled contribution of the 51st Engineer Brigade towards Philippine Army and of the Filipino people, this unit continues to ensure that all plans, activities, and programs are aligned towards our end state, of becoming a professional engineer brigade that is responsive, capable, and reliable unit which is a source of national pride.